Alright, well, I'm going to get the shotgun out and I'll shoot that. I ended up, the coil shit the bed. That's nice. Of course I don't have one. I might have another tractor, I can go steal one off of later, but for now I'm going to go clean up the snow. But my trusty old kubota is still plugging away, so what I'm going to do is I'll set her down right here and do a little moving with that bad boy. And get you a little parking spot right here. Back of the VW bus. I got a new camera for Christmas, but I haven't taken it out yet because I don't want to get the weather on it. So we're still going by my old standard underwater camera here. Alright. That's why it's always good to have a backup. My old L185DT, I think it's a 73 Kubota. It's 18 horsepower. A little under powered, but definitely does the job when you have to. speed. This guy works real well. I just had to add a bunch of weight. Underneath that snow is a bunch of like wheel weights and rotors and brake drums and that kind of thing. But I'm going to go take her out front and run the loader a little bit and kind of move those piles off. And thanks for watching. Hopefully I can get my piece of shit errands running. And actually kind of worked out pretty good because I have I put a bunch of gravel down in the fall, but I never got time to really get packed in. So by running the blade, I was kind of able to scrape up all the loose stuff that didn't want to kind of get crunched in and leveled off. So the snowblower will be chucking a bunch of rocks and reprocess. So, thanks for watching.